If you're looking for HP all-in-one PC unboxing and setup, you're in the right place. Watch the video till the end for the full explanation.
Welcome back. Today we unbox the all-new HP all-in-one PC 2026 model, sleek, powerful, and built for the future. From the moment you open the box, you feel the premium build quality. This is the HP all-in-one 2026. Minimal design, ultra-slim bezels, and a stunning display. Setup is incredibly simple. Just connect the power cable, plug in your keyboard and mouse, and you're ready to power up. And now, the first boot. Fast, smooth, instant performance. Powered for productivity, creativity, and everyday performance, this machine handles it all effortlessly. If you're looking for a powerful and elegant desktop solution, this might be the perfect choice. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful tech reviews.